Regardless of where you are right now in your career, growing your personal brand on LinkedIn will lead to amazing opportunities. Regardless if you're a student starting on the first job ladder, if you are a business owner looking to get more eyes on your business, even if you are in an existing job and looking to get promoted internally or get hired externally, or if you are someone just starting out being self-employed, if you can increase your visibility on LinkedIn, wow, it's a game changer. It was a game changer for me and it can be for you. Now, my name is Maureen Kane if you don't know me, and I've helped thousands of people up their game on LinkedIn and increase their personal brand, which has led to so many amazing opportunities within my community. I run a great community called the LinkedIn Breakfast Club, which is a monthly membership which you can subscribe to for only $34.99 a month. You'll get monthly lives with myself talking about what's working and what's not, weekly content prompts and tips, and you'll get access to the whole community, which is an amazing group of people, like-minded LinkedIn activists who can really help you grow your brand too. I'm also launching a fast track VIP LinkedIn personal branding workshop program on the 15th of September. It's an exclusive group, it's limited to a small number. You will be getting weekly access to myself. We will cover 12 topics in 1 hour online sessions. It'll run every Thursday 12 to 1. The recording will be also available for you. In this, we're going to do a deep dive into everything you need to know to get you started and get you working on LinkedIn. It's not just a training course. I'm going to be actively involved to hold your hand along the way to make sure that you get up and running by the end of this year. It's a 3-month program, so if you're looking to fast track your LinkedIn personal branding experience and gain more opportunities in 2023, yes, we're talking about 2023, it's a great time to start now. Start September, you've got 3 months hand holding with me, and then you could even be in the community afterwards to keep you accountable, gain the confidence, get the insights, get the tips, know what's working, learn from myself, my team, and the community. The links are below. If you've got any questions, please feel free to email me or certainly book in a call and we can discuss it on the call. Look forward to working with you and seeing your post on LinkedIn. Thank you very much.